guys, so today I'm filming my April favorites video. I cannot believe that April is already over. I'm filming this on May 1st and that just seems crazy to say. But I'm here to talk about all my favorite things for the month of April. I actually have a new favorite shampoo and conditioner, which is kind of weird because in my last video I have one too. So I really needed to get something that was completely color safe. I ended up picking up the Bedhead Color Goddess conditioner and shampoo. The main reason I love these is because they smell so good. Like I can't tell you guys how good these smell. If you guys have ever tried the Honey I Wash the Kids soap from Lush, which I absolutely love, these literally smell like that but like better. Oh, kind of just smells like honey, vanilla, and caramel. It's just the best scent ever, and I just got that all over. So I have a foundation to talk about, and that's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Foundation. A lot of people like the foundation as well as the concealer. Personally, I just have the foundation. I've never tried the concealer, but I just kind of use this as concealer and foundation. When I'm putting this on my face, I'll just kind of go over the areas that I would usually put concealer in, so like under my eyes, on my forehead. You guys get the drill. I've heard that some people don't like the eraser that comes on the top, but I actually really like it, and I think that it makes everything really smooth. This foundation feels really silky on your face and it's not cakey at all, which is so great. It's really easy to blend in. It always looks nice and seamless, so yeah. I have a powder to talk about too, and this is actually like $3 and it's from NYC Smooth Skins. If you open this up, it's just like a loose powder. I've just been using this like every day because it really works that well. I feel like it's just like the finishing touch, just finishes everything off, especially if you're using a nice brush to kind of buff that in. It really just makes your foundation look 10 times better. This one's great and it's super inexpensive too. You can just find this at like your local Target or drugstores. I didn't even notice this, but I have another product from NYC, and this is only like $3 as well. You've probably heard a ton of people rave about this. This is the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder in Sunny. Just this month I've started to use it a lot more often. I love it because it's not too orange and it's not too like muddy, so it's just the perfect shade. It's so inexpensive, it's great for contouring, and it just looks really nice. I actually have a pencil liner to talk about, and I almost never use pencil liners, but this was just one of those months. The Glide On pencil from Urban Decay in the shade 0, and mine's really small right now because I've sharpened it down a lot. This is just basically the best liner you can get out there. There's a ton of dupes for this that do work really well. Like I love the Rimmel Kohl pencils, but this is just the best. It's really creamy and easy to blend out, which I like a lot. Next thing I have to talk about is a mascara, and this is the Maybelline Falsies. This month I've actually gotten several mascaras, so I kind of like put this one to the side. I used to be super obsessed with this, but I haven't been using it so much recently until maybe like a few days ago. I just picked it up again and I just love it. A lot of other mascaras you're gonna have to go through like a couple coats to get kind of the look that you want. This one takes literally like one coat. Especially because I'm lazy in the morning, I don't feel like going through an entire mascara routine. This takes maybe a minute and it just makes a world of a difference. I love this. I have two lip products to talk about. This one is the Maybelline Vivid Rose lipstick. This is the craziest color, but it is so beautiful. It's just like a super vivid magenta shade and I love it so much. Obviously this isn't something that you're gonna wear every day, but for formal occasions and stuff like that, I just love this. I think it's the prettiest color. The formula for this is surprisingly good. I feel like Maybelline sometimes is a little hit or miss, but this is definitely a hit. Next thing I have to talk about is something that I've been loving all the time. This is the Smooth Kiss Glossy Lip Butter from Victoria's Secret. You put this on your lips, it just gives like a nice glossy sheen. It's good over almost every lip color. It's a really pretty color, but it's definitely not too pigmented or like overbearing. It just smells like heaven. Like it smells like candy and happiness. I have a few brushes to talk about as well. This is the Sonia Kashuk regular shader brush, I think. This is just the regular shader brush. It is just the perfect brush. I'd lost this for the longest time and I finally found it under my vanity back there. Ignore how dirty my brushes are, but it's just the best shader brush you can possibly get, I'd say. It really packs on your shadow while at the same time blending them out really nicely. It's super soft and I just love it. Next time you're at Target or something, make sure to check this out. Another brush I've been loving are the e.l.f. brushes, and these are both powder brushes. I went to Target the other day and I picked up some of their studio line brushes, and they are just the best. They're super soft, they're really good at blending out powder and everything. Please excuse how dirty these are. I know, I need to wash them. They just do a really good job of getting your powder on and blended in nicely. This one is the e.l.f. complexion brush, and this one is the powder brush. So you guys can probably guess what song I've been loving for this month, and it is West Coast by Lana Del Rey. Those of you that know me know that Lana is my absolute everything. Probably like my favorite person on this earth, excluding like friends and family. I've loved her for 3 years now. It's been a long journey. She came out with a new single this month, West Coast, and it is just everything. I've been jamming to it constantly. I actually got to see Lana sing West Coast for the first time ever. There were no instrumentals or anything. It was just her voice alone at the Cosmopolitan on April 11th. Best day of my life. I will insert that clip right now.
I get this feeling like it won't could happen. That's why I'm leaving you for
That was before she'd played it on any radio stations, released it to the public, anything like that. It was just great, and once the song came out, I listened to it constantly, and trust me girl, I still am. Another song I've been loving is Partition by Beyonce. Oh my god guys, when I'm doing my makeup in the morning, I'll just listen to this and it makes everything 10 times better. Also, I know every word, which is kind of embarrassing, but not really, because who couldn't love this song? Another artist I've been loving in general is Iggy Azalea. She is also my queen. I've been loving all of the new classic, her new album, and her song that just came out with Ariana Grande, Problem, is my jam. Another favorite this month has been Arizona Tea. I've been obsessed with this stuff since the womb. I buy like the huge packs of these at Costco that you can get with like 40 or something in them. I don't know what it is about these that I love so much, but trust me girl, it's something. Thank you guys so much for watching my April favorites. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye!